How to add this, and this viral sound effects to your video. Open Insert app, then choose the video in which you want to add sound effects. Tap on audio icon, go to effects. There you can find numbers of sound effect. Select the effect which suit your video. Keyboard effect, heartbeat. If you want, you can also search for the effect according to your taste. Here are some my favorite sound effects which I used in my videos. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.